In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category to a contact in Outlook. If you've ever wanted a quick way to color code and label people so you can find them faster, this is a simple and powerful trick you'll use all the time. Start by opening Outlook. Once you're in, head to People. Look for the people icon that looks like two silhouettes on your navigation bar. Depending on your layout, it might be at the bottom or along the left side, but the icon is the same. This view shows your contact list and makes it easy to manage details at a glance. Next, select the contact you want to categorize. Click the person in your list to highlight them, or open their contact card if you want to double-check their details first. You can categorize anyone in your address book, and you can always change or remove categories later. Now add a category. In the ribbon at the top, click Add Category. If you're hovering over a contact card, choose More Options and then Add Category. This uses Outlook's color-coded categories, the same feature you may have used in Mail or Calendar, so your labels stay consistent across Outlook. From here, choose an existing category or create a new one. If a label you like already exists, select it and you're done. If not, select New Category, give it a clear name, pick a color, and save. Aim for short, meaningful names that are easy to scan, things like VIP, vendors, or family. Choose distinct colors so categories are visually different at a glance. Remember, a contact can belong to more than one category, which is great when someone fits into multiple groups. Once you've assigned categories, you can see them right in your people list as colored tags. To work more efficiently, sort by categories or group your view by category, depending on the options you see in your version of Outlook. This makes it simple to pull up everyone in the same group for outreach, planning, or follow-ups without hunting through your entire address book. A few quick tips to keep things tidy: reuse categories whenever possible to avoid color clutter, keep names consistent so they make sense over time, and reserve bold colors for high-priority groups. Because categories are shared across Outlook, your labels stay useful wherever you organize your work. And that's all it takes. Thanks for watching.